Good morning, and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair, where we'll be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair has gained 1.1% in the last two sessions. Stochastic has bounced upwards into the overbought zone. Bitcoin has added 14.2% in the last three sessions. The ATR has bounced upwards into the high volatility zone. The price of gold has lost 1.9% in the last two sessions. The ADX collapsed into the negative area. The price of crude oil has added 5.9% in the last three sessions. The stochastic RSI moved sharply into the positive area.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Wall Street's main indices opened higher, with the S&P 500 and the Dow near record levels, as bets on more pandemic aid under a Democrat-controlled U.S. Congress eclipsed data showing elevated levels of unemployment claims. Cryptocurrency platforms have experienced disruptions coinciding with rapid price increases throughout the past year. The dollar rebounded from levels not seen since March 2018 to its highest in a week, on the potential for an economic rebound and profit-taking by investors who had been betting on the euro.
Thank you for this. Now coming up, today's major economic events.
The Eurozone's unemployment rate will be released at 10:00 GMT, the U.S. unemployment rate at 13:30 GMT, Japan's leading economic index at 500 GMT. The U.S. average hourly earnings will be released at 13:30 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 700 GMT, Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.